Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see what exactly you need to know about your soul connection. Okay, regarding your soul connection with whoever the person you are dealing with, or maybe even if you are in a no contact situation, okay, or even if you are currently going through a breakup. So it's more of like your soul connection. Okay, it doesn't matter whether you are in a no contact situation or leading towards a breakup, or something like that. So the truth that you really need to know about your soul connection, what is the truth, what you need to know. Let's see what exactly the messages that you really need to hear right now at this given point of time, because angels wants to tell you this message. Okay, I want each and every one of you kindly thank be thankful to the angels. And yes, first and foremost thing, this is for you. You as a person always act as a superior, whether you believe it or not. I am a kind of person who always tells the truth. Okay, I'm not here to manipulate you. I'm not here to give you, glittery, shining answers. No, I am here to tell you the bitter truth, wherever the truth is going to come out. So the thing is, you always act as a person who know each and everything when it comes to relationship, when it comes to partnership. Okay, and the people or the person next to you, probably the partner of yours, they always feel a kind of threatened, or they always feel you a kind of intimidating in a relationship, because you always try to control situation. Not only situation, you always try to control people in general. Okay, even in your friendships also, even in your home environment also, you have this nature of yours where you feel everything to be controlled. And by control, sometime you yourself don't understand this. See, this controlling nature or behavior is coming from the way of because you want to cherish things. You want things to be done. You care for other people, the people whom you love. Okay, that is great, that is totally fine. But you yourself don't know your this controlling habit. Sometimes you become so much what should I call it, you become so much arrogant, not even arrogant, uh, stubborn sometime, maybe, that the people around you, or especially the partner of yours, always feel like that they are not good enough. They used to feel like, they feel like that they are not good enough, they are not doing good or great things in their relationship. So your partner always feel helpless in some situation. So universe angels want to tell you that it's okay, it's good to control things when they are out of control. But when it comes to relationship, you don't need to act as a leader in your relationship. You don't need to control in each and everything. And with the tower moment, I think this is more of like with you. See, when it comes to soul connections, you are right now currently going through a massive transformation in your life. Now, this basically gives me the impression of your whole life. Of course, your life includes love life also. So there's a massive transformation that is going on in your life, and this transformation is telling you to not rush things right now, because you are in a soul contract with your soul partner. And this soul partner can be the current person that you are dealing with. They can be anyone. Okay, they can be the current person you are dealing with, or maybe they can be your ex partner. Okay, or maybe you're in a no contact situation, but more of like I feel like this is more of like a ex partner, or maybe the person you are in a no contact situation, because tower card with four of pentacles. See here what I am exactly feeling, it's more of a, I won't say, so it's more of a karmic relationship that you are currently dealing with, okay? With your soul partner. And your this soul partner or soul connection itself is coming from a karmic, you both, you and your partner, you both have a karmic baggage, okay, that you really need to work on, or to, finish those karmic baggages before entering in a relationship, or maybe before getting a proper reunion, okay, or maybe yeah, reunion. Because tower with four of pentacles, I more of like I feel like, and your karmic baggage is related to finances somehow, because what I feel like, you and your partner, like if you are single, if you guys are single, that's totally fine. This is more of like your future indication, okay? So right now you are going through a massive transformation, and this transformation is basically telling you to work on your finances right now, because you really have to work on your finances. You have to become independent first of all, okay, financially, emotionally, okay? With queen of swords, you really have to become independent financially and emotionally. Why I am saying emotionally, because this behavior of the controlling behavior of yours is coming from your past, maybe past or from your childhood, because you feel this is more of like you know this controlling behavior is more of like you always feel like need to get things done, so this is a kind of abandonment issue, or if I say, because in your childhood also, you always your family always made you in a certain way, where you always have to act as a you always have to act as a elder, or maybe the the responsible person, okay? And with responsibilities, you have a lot of course you have a lot of responsibility on your shoulder. So this is basically your, see, you know what, with the bottom of the deck we have empress. So basically, let me tell you one thing. Right now, even you in your soul, or maybe in your intuition, you already know this, okay, that um you really need to focus on your money, your finances first. When you become independent, and by independent I won't say that you have to do all things by yourself. Independent, basically financially independent, okay? You don't need to depend on anyone, or maybe your future husband, or okay, you understand me, right? And with that financial independence, you have to become emotional independent also, because when you get into a real relationship, or we can say a marriage institution, this behavior of yours is a reflection of your past traumas. So you really need to break this behavior, to control everything. When it comes to finances, when it comes to job, business, perfectly fine, you're doing very great to act as a leadership. But when it comes to your love life, you don't have to play the role of a leader, right? Whether you're a girl or a boy, relationships are more of like a pure communication. So whenever you feel, so this is more of a queen, see the empress card, with the five of pentacles, see, again pentacles energy is showing, and we have page of cups. So it's more of like universe is telling you to, if you feel like things to be if you feel like that things to be controlled, okay, just try to communicate clearly with your partner, because your relation is totally depend on communication. Okay, if you feel like everything to be done by yourself, there is something lacking. Okay, so you really need to communicate properly. So you have to first of all learn the communication, how, like, you both, you and your partner, really, so you need to focus more on communication rather than doing things for by your own, or maybe to control something. Because the Empress and the Page of Cups with the Five of Pentacles is giving me the impression of you are a kind of person who know how get things done, but at the same time, Four of Pentacle, Five of Pentacle, you always fear that someone, or might be someone will going to destroy your life, or maybe the comfort zone that you are making for yourself, or maybe the future you are building. So somewhere subconsciously, I don't know whether you are aware or not. Let me know in the comment section if you are aware of this feeling, that subconsciously you always have this fear that someone will going to snatch or destroy everything that you are building. You are building your career, even you are building your relation. So with from that fear, you always try to again control, because you have trust issues. Maybe this is because of in the past you might have experienced such situation, so now you have a trust issues. No doubt you love your partner, or maybe if you're a single, you will love your partner, you have a very caring partner, but this fear of yours is going to destroy your beautiful relation. So angel universe is so this video is a kind of guidance, okay, or maybe the warning for you. Take it how you feel, like a guidance or a warning, okay, so it's totally up to you. So angels, actually universe wants to tell you that, see, why you got this tower, like why universe you know make you wait for your love life or the connection, is because universe wants you to first of all take stand for yourself, and first of all start melting your fear, so that in future when you actually get into a relationship with the person that you are meant to be, this same fear of yours might be the cause of the breakup, or maybe divorce, I don't know what. So this is a kind of a short break. This tower is a kind of short break if if you are going through breakup or a no contact situation. So take it as a break, okay, and work on yourself, the things that I already told you. Work on these things, okay, and get rid of your insecurities, or the fear, or the behavior, or the trust issues, especially when it comes to your relationship or the person whom you really want to be with. It will take some time. It will, of course, the Hanged Man, it will take some time. You will have a lot of sleepless nights while doing this. So this is again a warning. You will have a lot of sleepless nights, but don't let that stop you, okay, because after when you recover from all of these, see, you will have a miracle in your life. Abundance is showing off. Abundance, the financial abundance, as well as your abundance in terms of your relationship. So claim this reading and let me know in the comment section whether this reading resonates with you or not, because karma is real. Claim this reading. I love you all. Bye bye.